Flying cars in the sense of something we drive on the freeway, but then could take off and go somewhere, are a non-starter. So this is this idea of duality. We can both drive and fly in the same vehicle. We can make them, but they're horrendously expensive, horrendously complicated, so many things to go wrong that they're a non-starter. They're just an interesting thing we can build a few of and look at. The idea of autonomous taxis that are flying, so the idea of drone-based taxi services, are a reality. How do I feel about them? I feel they're an inevitability. When they first came out, I went, oh my God, I'll never get in one. But people are getting in them all the time now in the trials that they're running and are quite comfortable. And it's a bit like the first time I got into a Tesla and turned on the autopilot. And many of you who own those vehicles will have done this. The first time I did it, my hands were about a centimetre from the steering wheel and my foot was about a millimetre above the brake pedal. And I watched this car drive itself thinking, I need to be ready to act. And within about 5 minutes, I grew comfortable. Now, I thought it might take me months and months to adapt. 5 minutes. And it's the same with most Tesla drivers. When they try that experience and they start to go, you know what, this thing is so accurate. Its place holding is so good. The same will happen with these flying drone taxis. As challenging as they look, people get comfortable with them very rapidly indeed. So I think they're an inevitability. I probably won't be the first to get in one, but I'll probably be amongst the early people to get in one, and I'll probably grow comfortable with them like you will.